Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel and today's video we're going to be unboxing my hit the subscribe button, like and comment and hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, welcome to Lizzie Diaries. If you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and in today's video I'm going to be unboxing my microphone I got from Jumia. So without further ado, let's get this video started. So yeah, this is it. I got it from Jumia last month, but I've been so lazy to show you guys. So the first thing they clipped to it was the invoice. As you can see, I got it for a total of, I don't know if you guys can see, 6,881 naira. So let's see what's inside. I've actually opened it, but let's see. It has a receiver. Can you guys see? This is the receiver. This is the transmitter. This is the receiver. I'm going to, plug it to my phone because I'm using my phone to film. Then this is the transmitter. My selfie audio has a very bad, like it's not audible. Then this is the charger. It came with the charger, you guys. I'm so excited because do you know what I can do with this? Do you know? You guys are not ready. I'm going to give you guys content. If you be finding it very hard to for those content creators like me that have no freedom, no worries. Well, God will make a way. I'm telling you, God will make a way. The manual that no one actually reads. There you go. But I read it. I actually read it. I went through it. So yeah, that's everything. This is how I was living. And I actually charged it. Let me test it. You see the audio become perfect. I've actually charged it though. Then you do you know why it was very cheap? Because I had promo. It was a promo. I don't even know what the promo was. Testing 1, 2. Hey, I was so discouraged in making this video because of when you be making a video, they'll be calling your name Elizabeth. So I know you guys can hear me properly now because it's very audible. You can see the change, the before and the after. What did I do? I tried to do before and after. My dad is outside. You think I'm mad? Like I'm talking to myself. And yeah, I made my hair. So yeah, thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, please hit the subscribe button. Tell me what you think about this video, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Yenko. I had to redo this intro because the one I did without the microphone was not giving. So you guys don't even know how excited I am. Like, let me keep it to my clothes, Jerry. Like, you guys don't know how excited I am. Do you know the joy when you save something, save money, like who here when money leaves the person's account, there's this feeling, anger. But the moment I saved for it, I got it. I will not lie, I shall touch the money how many times. Of course, I fucked up. I finally saved and got it, and I'm proud of myself. The next thing I'll be saving for is a better phone. Then after a better phone, then I'll start saving for a camera because this YouTube is going worldwide. Trust me when I say worldwide. Please subscribe to my YouTube video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Yanko. I'll be the best above all the rest, put me to the test and expect nothing less.